Ate here at the pond. Got my boat in the water.
What do you say?
Got the little doggy playing with the boat. We're gonna see what she does.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that was way too
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a nice day.